Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the PAG Ibig tracking number you received after filing. Enter it immediately on the membership inquiry or tracking page so you don't lose your session. This number links your application to the system. Once done, confirm your name and birth date match the record to avoid mismatches. If you used an agent, make sure you have the same reference number the agent provided. This step is crucial because it unlocks the status details and next actions. After entering the tracking number, you'll see a clear status label. Read it carefully because each tag means a different next step. If it says under review, expect a short processing window. If for release, prepare ID and originals for pickup. Make sure to download any attached PDFs, receipts, and membership summaries right away. They serve as proof and often contain reference codes you'll need later. If a document is missing, note the missing item and plan to follow up. To complete the process, act on the instruction tied to the status. Print documents, schedule pickup, or upload missing files so your case moves forward. If the status doesn't change after 7 days, contact PAG Ibig hotline or visit the branch with your tracking number and original ID. In most cases, a short inquiry resolves the hold. One troubleshooting tip: if the portal throws errors, take screenshots, clear browser cache, try another device, and provide those screenshots when you escalate so they can trace the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.